Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you how to set custom assistant wake word. To set custom voice assistant wake word, let's go to menu and next go to BYD. Enable audio wake up and go to wake word. Now enter custom wake word in English. Now when you say this word, you will wake the voice assistant. Hello assistant.
Hello.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.